sound more natural in English, native speakers remove D while speaking. The D is deleted when a word ending in ND links with another word which starts with a consonant sound. When the D is deleted, the N should smoothly link with the word which begins with the consonant sound. For example, look at the sentence, could you hand me the pen? In the sentence, the word HAND, we are not pronouncing it as hand because the D is deleted there. We'll only say hand because it is followed by a consonant sound, M, hand me. So we are saying, could you hand me the pen instead of could you hand me the pen, which is wrong. The next example, that does sound familiar. We are not saying sound familiar because the D is deleted there. We'll only say sound familiar. That does sound familiar. Similarly, look at the next example. Do you have any weekend plans? We are not saying weekend plans. We'll only say weekend plans. Do you have any weekend plans? Sound more clear and confident in English by following these tips. And for more videos, follow Tiju's Academy. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.